Do you know?
Yeah.
I don't like this game. Get it.
No, I did. What?
Go touch some grass.
Sum total of all the girls you've been with.
Like a secret booty call.
Over smart child.
मुझे सच्ची नहीं पता.
They think differently, they spend differently, they love differently, they work differently. But they're finally in the same room.
No, absolutely not.
Breadcrumbing means giving somebody hints. Like you're into them and then just like disappearing. I'll text them for 2 days so that they're hooked and then I go and then I come back. So I'm just like putting them breadcrumbs. Like annoy me? I don't know.
So when we used to be on Orkut, there was something called poke. Where we
Chat?
would poke just to let Orkut. So poking was a way of me telling you, saying hi.
Like nudging.
Yes, nudge. It was a
Yeah.
nudge. Mid? Like midget?
No, सच्ची नहीं पता.
Mid.
Mid is like he's mid, she's mid, the food's mid.
I thought you would call a really short person mid. Oh, mid means average. Okay. Oh, nice. Clock it. Absolutely not.
Did you clock it? Like, did you get it?
No, I didn't. What?
Clock it means get it. Like, is it clocking?
Oh, this means did you get it?
No, this means clock it. Stable.
No, going steady was good relationship. It's going steady.
Oh, it's stable. That's what I said.
Yeah.
No, when you're officially dating,
Huh?
Huh. It's steady.
It's going
It's
steady.
stable.
It kind of explains itself. Something that's been blown out of proportion.
It's a canon event. It's gonna happen. Failures are a canon event.
Okay.
A testimonial is like an experience, little experience, anecdotal experience about how something was.
No, again, it was on Orkut, where what I feel about you becomes a testimonial so that others who come to follow you know what I feel about you.
It's like an Uber rating. sort of
Yes!
thing.
What, like, how do you put it in a sentence?
Go touch some grass.
touch some grass.
Get a reality check is what it means.
Ooh!
Go touch the nature, feel like, you know.
What's a beige flag?
Can I assume?
Beige flag is
It's
mid.
like, it's like maybe being too vanilla.
Mid was yeah, like harmless but weird.
Tired.
A nicer way to say you're like I have an assignment submission tomorrow and I have not completed it. रात को बैठी हूँ 2-3 बजे. So I'm cooked. I don't think I
I'm
can
screwed
ever.
is
I'm
I'm
screwed.
cooked.
Yeah. Walkie talkie, I know. Walkman.
Totally cassette player.
Girl, math. Like MATH. How many girls you've been with?
A girl's way of justifying why you spend that money.
Oh, I thought it's the sum total of all the girls you've been with. It was the device used to put music, burn music on a CD.
Why would you burn music?
It's like you can't record music. Like it was a form of recording music on a CD.
Oh.
Napster? Do you know what Napster is?
No.
Being delusional. Now my brain is going to overdrive. I'm trying to find the meaning of salty.
If somebody is being a little bitchy or a little like ऐसे तो you're being, why are you being salty?
वो जो हिंदी में बोलते हैं ना कि इतना कड़वाहट है उसमें, that is salty. Now you're just messing around with me.
सबरीना कारपेंटर यार कारपेंटर है नहीं हमारी सोसाइटी में.
Over smart child.
I don't like this game.
BlackBerry Messenger.
Blackberry, I know. I would not know the BBM thing, whatever. I was very uncool, like not cultured as a child at all.
Cultured.